There's a couple different ways you could lead on that. It really depends on the size of your brass balls. I mean, you could legitimately just hit them up and be like, hey, it's Greg. I know we're Facebook friends, but we don't really talk. That's my fault. I suck. Let's get a time to let's have a conversation. Let's see how life is. You can do something along those lines. You can offer a service or something of value to them. So you could go down to like a local steak place. Like I have Forbes Mill Steakhouse here in the Bay Area, and go to say, hey, look, in my apologies for not staying in contact with you here, I got a link to a $25 gift certificate. Maybe you can take your husband or wife or whatever the other gender is or preference is to have a steak, and just wanted to see if that would be something of interest for you. I'm giving this away in the month of in the month of April. Do something like that, or genuinely try to start a conversation with them. Hey, I see that you went to Hawaii the other day. That trip looked amazing. What was your favorite part? I plan on going there this summer. Just try to re-engage with them and what they're posting in their timeline might be something that you'd want to do, and then build that rapport.